Hello everyone. So I decided to install the fan for CPU when the motherboard's outside the case rather than in the case. Would be easier this way. Also, I bought these fan extension plug because I have only two chassis fan connection, but then there are other connection. So I'm not going to use these extension. Instead, I'm going to utilize this chassis fan connection, this A10 pump connection, which usually for radiator, but I'm going to control it in BIOS, the speed of it. And here I'm going to use chassis second connection, and I will use this one is different. This one is 36 watt, so I'm going to use this M.2 fan and control the speed in the BIOS. Also, I'm going to utilize CPU optional fan connection and control that in the BIOS independent of CPU fan speed. So first of all, let's install the CPU fan. Okay, let's make sure that it's in a place. Okay, all right, so basically we're gonna do it one at a time, the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4. We heard the click, so that's good. Now this is a CPU fan connection right there. Okay, so I don't want to put, let's put down here so that it stays outside the memory module area. Okay, so I'm going to place this wire this way so that I'm going to put it underneath here. This way it's not going to be in the way of the fan, as well as it's not going to be cluttered. Well, this thing is alright. Okay, supposedly this is good. Okay, so the fan is installed. That's pretty easy. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the case for this front panel connection, and I will look at the motherboard book to see how those connections are, and I'm gonna prepare that, and we'll do that in the next video.